Are you looking for a way to add instant volume and style? If so, then a hair topper may be just for you. In this video, I'm going to show you how to perfectly blend and install a hair topper that does not have a lace front. Hi, and welcome to the Wiggy Woman. I have been with the world of alternative hair, from toppers to wigs to extensions, for a number of years through my own battle with hair loss and premature gray. And I know of the challenges that come from trying to blend in your helper hair with your actual hair. When you're not wearing a wig and you just want a little extra boost of volume and style, you might need a way to trick people into thinking that all of this hair is yours. It can be a challenge to blend a hair topper in with your own natural hairline when you don't have a lace front to create a new hairline for you. This is going to be my step-by-step tutorial for how to seamlessly blend in your topper with your own natural hair. Okay, so this is my topper. This is Top Choice by Gabor in color Dark Chocolate. This hair topper is not a lace front. So you'll see that the way that this one is gonna work is by blending the hair topper in with your own hairline to create a natural look. You might want to do a few tips and tricks, very same ones that you would do if you were putting on a wig per se, to create a more natural part. I have not done that with this topper, but there's definitely some tips and tricks that you can do to make any kind of alternative hair look more natural. Today though, I'm just gonna focus on the install. All right, so now I have my topper here, and you'll notice that the clips are in the closed position because I'm just going to, kind of find the right spot for it before I actually clip it. And I don't want to get my own hair caught up in those clips just yet. For me, I need this topper to come right up against my natural hairline, but not much farther back than maybe like a centimeter at the most. Okay, so now that I have it in the spot that I want, I am going to go through and I'm going to secure all of the clips. Okay, now sometimes you have to go back through these front clips again after you have the back clips in, because you're just kind of moving it ever so slightly as you're securing it. And so I'm just gonna kind of give this a quick check here and make sure that everything stayed where I wanted it to, and it looks pretty good. Next, I'm going to use a brush or a comb if you have like a wavy style, maybe a wide tooth comb, and I am going to incorporate my hair, especially here at this hairline, in with the topper, because I want it to look like a very smooth transition. So I'm gonna get in here really close so you can see the install of this topper. Okay, so I showed you that install up close because I wanted you to be able to see that my natural color here at the hairline doesn't perfectly blend with this topper because it's not a lace front. It's not gonna create a new hairline for me. I do have to be very careful. So if I have gray that is showing, or if my topper has a bunch of highlights in it that my natural hair doesn't, I want to be a little bit more careful about matching the color tones at the hairline. And my secret weapon for that is Root Touch-Up Spray. This Root Touch-Up Spray is designed to kind of blend in with all types of medium brown hair. And what I'm going to do is I am going to spray this hairline and some of those gray pieces that are sticking out with this Root Touch-Up Spray. And I am going to allow the Root Touch-Up Spray to get on the topper a little bit as well. I don't want to cover up any of its natural highlights and things like that, but just here at the hairline, I kind of want those first pieces to also have this same medium brown tone to it that my natural hair is going to have, so that right here it blends and then it will fade into whatever the styling is on the topper. Okay, so now I'll come in really tight again so that you can see the install after I've blended the color. Here you go. So you can see that there was this little patch of my scalp that was showing because of the thinning. And you know, the root touch-up spray kind of gets in there and covers that a little bit. And you'll see that now this front section is all the same kind of shade of medium brown, but you still see the highlighting and the coloring from the topper itself. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, please be sure to subscribe to my channel and click the bell so that you're notified each time a wig review or tutorial is posted weekly. Of course, if you have questions about your own hair topper or all things alternative hair, please leave me a comment down below. Thanks for watching, and I will see you next week.